today we're going to be cooking with CBD. I'm a co-founder of Carolina CBD, and I'm a chef here in North Carolina. Today we're going to be using the CBD infused olive oil to make 3 great vegan and gluten-free options. So here we're just going to roast the tomatoes. We're going to slice both these tomatoes in half. We're going to top them with a little bit of the CBD infused olive oil and some fresh cracked Himalayan pink sea salt and black pepper. The tomatoes are going to roast for 30 minutes at 425. So we're going to turn the pot on here, high heat, just until the oil comes to a boil. Once it comes to a boil and it's bubbling, we're going to turn it off and just let that residual heat kind of finish it off. Now that we've got our tomatoes cooled, we'll go ahead and pull those out of the refrigerator, along with our roasted garlic from earlier. For this recipe, we're going to use 4 small or 2 large roasted tomatoes as we have here, 1 ounce of tomato paste, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of pepper. This recipe calls for 8 ounces of balsamic vinegar. We're going to go ahead and start assembling the dressing. So we've got the roasted garlic, roasted tomatoes, basil, and balsamic vinegar going into the blender. The first step is to blend all your ingredients and make sure that your vinaigrette is potent enough so that when you add the oil in, it will nullify the flavor, but not make it too dull. You always have to taste it. We're going to be using our CBD infused olive oil for this recipe. You want to get all your ingredients moving here, get the blender going, and you're going to pour in the oil slowly as the blender's going until it's all fully incorporated, and it should look like this. In total, this recipe makes 32 ounces of dressing. That's 1 quart. That's 5 milligrams per ounce, and we recommend a 3 to 4 ounce serving.